Hey everyone, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we are sharing our recipe for a delicious deep dish sausage pie. We are starting off with about a half a cup of chopped bacon in a pan over medium heat. Add a chopped onion and about 2 stalks of celery. Now saute lightly for a couple of minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of flour, then 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Mix well. Add 2 cups of chopped cooked sausage. Now add 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of ground sage, and 1 tablespoon of ground rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste. We add 1 large peeled and chopped apple. It's completely optional, but absolutely delicious. The sweet and tart apple really complements the salty sausage and bacon. Now give it a good mix, lower your heat and cover it. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Here we have our beautiful and savory pastry dough. For our recipe, click the card above. Now roll out between 2 pieces of parchment paper to prevent sticking. Cut around the baking dish of your choice and preheat your oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now fill your dish with the delicious sausage mix. Lay the dough on the top and pinch to seal. Brush the top with a little bit of egg wash. Now poke a hole or make slits with a knife to allow steam to escape. Bake for about 25 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and let it set for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can dig in. We really hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you give it a try. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our uploads every Tuesday and Wednesday. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or future video ideas. Thanks so much for tuning in. See you on the next episode of Plate on a Budget.